In a rush but want to make a quick 30-minute meal, let's make some chili garlic noodles. First, we're going to be taking in some extra virgin olive oil into a pan here. Then we're going to be searing our wonderful 1 pound of ground pork just like so. Very nice. From here, we're going to be taking in 1 tablespoon of black bean sauce. Get this a nice mix. Making sure this is cooked all the way through. Now taking in our linguine fresh pasta, add some salt, boiling water, cooking this to al dente about 7 to 8 minutes. Rinse and set aside. From here, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted goes into a pot, adding in 4 cloves of garlic till it's nice and brown, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes for a little bit of heat, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Then now adding in our noodles, get this a nice mix. Very nice. Now, half cup of grated parmesan cheese goes right in for some nice texture. And there we have it. Playtime. We're going to be serving this with the noodles, then adding in our ground pork right on top. And that's it. Tonight we're serving this with Graham-Beck Brut Rosé. You can visit them at grahambeck.com. Profiles of raspberries, cherries, and a few secondary whiffs of minerality. Subtle red berry flavors enlivened by bright acidity, but yet delicate. Just a little bit of garnish, just like so, and there we have it. A wonderful, amazing chili garlic noodles. 30-minute meal. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye.